Hi, my viewers, my subscribers. How no all do? How is everything going? Where are you today? Which part of the world are you today? Okay, guys, I hope everything is okay and I hope all is well. All right. Remember, I wash my hands. All right. Remember to wash your hands. And I must say to all my subscribers and my viewers, how is it going? I hope all is well. And thanks for big it up my channel. Thank you for all those who make a comment. Thank you very much. Bless up yourself. Pick up yourself. All right. Today I'm going to show you how I make sorrel. This is dried sorrel. Okay. Back in our country, Jamaica, we just cut the sorrel and just boil it or we draw it. Okay. But over here now we have to buy the dry one. All right. So I have a sorrel here and I'm going to show you how I make my sorrel. Okay, guys. And I have my ginger and I'm going to put a piece of the beetroot in it. Okay. So watch as I go. So I have my hot water here. You put it in hot water. So this is my pot of boiling water. Hi, my viewers and my subscribers. How are you doing today? Today I'm going to make some sorrel. Okay, this is a sorrel, dried sorrel. You can see? Okay, dried sorrel. So making our sorrel juice now, I'm going to put a piece of ginger in it. Also, I'm going to put beetroot in it. Everything is washed already. Okay, so I'm going to cut. Some people they don't wash it, but I am going to wash because I say when they wash it, the juice it comes out. So I'm going to wash it in cold water. So I'm going to use the cold water, wash my sorrel. Because when you use the warm water, the juice comes out. You can see. And I put it here to drain. And if there's any stick or any other stuff that is in it, you take it out. And to all my subscribers, bless up yourself. Bless up yourself. So you can see the water. So you cannot use the hot water. Okay? All right. So I'm going to put it back here. Okay. So this is my wash sorrel. Okay, you can see. And guys, this one is very good. It's very strong. For sure, it is very strong. So you can try it at the store. All right. So I'm going to blend my ginger. Just with a little water here, guys. And this water is warm. So my water is over there boiling. So I'm going to. And if you don't want to blend it, you can just cut it off or grate it. All right. So I'm going to cut my beetroot now. And the beetroot already washed. You don't have to put beetroot in it, but I am putting. Can see? Okay. Let me show. This is my beetroot. So I don't blend it. I just cut it like this. And remember, guys, to wash. You can put it in there like this. And it tastes so good. Tastes so good, guys. So half is okay. All right. So the sorrel and the beetroot. And I'm going to put my ginger in. So there you go. So my water is boiling. You can see my water there. Okay. So look at it now, guys. You have to be careful. It will burn. So I'm going to pour my hot water on this. And you don't, as I say, you don't have to put beetroot in it. You can see? Okay. I want you to see it as good as possible. You can see? Right. And I'm going to cover and it will stay there until maybe 5, 6 hours. Normally what we do, we let it stay there until the other day. But because I forget to use it from this morning, so I'm going to let it stay until tomorrow. Okay? So you keep it until the other day, or you can keep it for 6 or 7 hours. Okay, guys? So see you in the next 6 hours, and I show you what it look like. Okay? So you let it stay there and steam in hot water, no cold water. If you put it in cold water, you'll never get anything from it. You have to put it in hot water. Okay? So I'm going to cover like this and put it away like this. So I see you in the next 6 hours or so. Okay? And remember, guys, to share up my video then. Share up the videos, guys. Tell a friend. Subscribe. Make a comment, please. Thank you very much. All right. See you in the next hours. As you can see, guys, my sorrel is finished. You can see. So I'm going to strain it off. Oops. And guys, you can blend up the remainder. Okay. Can blend this and get more juice. Okay. And this is sorrel, as you know. All right. So guys, I'm gonna mix it with sugar. You can put a little spice, whatever spice you want to put on it. You can put a little rum, but I'm not going to put any rum on it. I'm just going to put some sugar in it. Okay, guys? But you put whatever spice you want to put in it. And then you bottle it and put it in your refrigerator. And it stay there for long as ever. You can keep it for long, not as long as ever, but you can keep it for long. You can see? So this is sorrel. And if you don't know it, you can Google it. All right. And any spice at all you want to put in it, that's fine. That's okay. So this is my finished product now, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for viewing my channel. Pick up yourself, pick up your God, and you take care of yourself. Remember, guys, to subscribe and tell a friend to tell another friend. And thanks again for watching my videos. Bye-bye.